back again with another baking video. Today I'm going to be making milk tea donuts and it's going to be a real fun time. I found this recipe on TikTok, so I'm really excited about it. So let's get to it. So first things first, you're going to grab 1 egg. Oh, oops, kind of cracked that a little hard. Put it in a bowl, you know, just yeet. And then you're gonna have 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, then you're gonna have, after that, you're gonna have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're gonna have 1/3. We're not 3/4 yet. Literally, I had to memorize all this because the whole recipe's on my phone. So, yeah. So 1/3 cup of any milk you want to use. I'm lactose intolerant, so I like to use almond milk a lot. So yeah, I know it really stinks being lactose intolerant and loving boba. Just saying, it's not a bueno time. Literally though, like my school decided to stay remote, so I'm gonna be continuing YouTube for a little while longer. So next you're going to have, oh, I suggest to mix that all together so you know the egg is mixed in. Yeah. Okay, then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you're gonna do 3/4 cup of sugar. Sorry, I'm getting like all my measurements mixed up. But I will have the measurements as usual and the directions down below in the description. I'm gonna add 3/4 of white sugar. Then I'm gonna mix that up a little bit so it's like not too hard to mix up later on. So these are baked donuts, which I'm really happy about. So it's like not fried, not oily, you know. Then you're gonna add a cup of flour. The recipe calls for baking flour, but like I only have all-purpose flour, so I'm gonna be using that today. Ooh, got some flour on my jacket. Yikes. Okay. So once you have all that, that should make your dough for your donuts. Donuts. Yeehaw. Oh gosh. It's a fun time. So yeah, I'll get back to you once I'm done mixing this up. So you want to keep mixing until there's no lumps. So there's still little lumps, but I almost forgot. I looked at the recipe again. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt into your batter so it's not too sweet. Okay, so next you're going to slightly flour the donut mold just so they don't stick. So I got this donut mold from Daiso, so you know, pretty easy. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fill up a piping bag full of your dough batter. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're just gonna pipe it out anyways into the molds. But yeah. Oh snap. Don't do that. No bueno. Okay, I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, now that all the batter is in the piping bag, I'm going to twist the top of the piping bag. And then I'm going to chop a big chunk of this, if I can. Oh, that's not working. Oh, yikes. I didn't think this through. Okay. with this cutting? Okay, well, these scissors aren't really working, so yikes. Try to find another one. Oh wait, it cut a hole. Okay, just gonna squeeze it out. Okay, this isn't ideal. You don't want this. So just learn from my mistakes. Make sure you get good scissors and make sure you don't overfill the bag. Sounds pretty good to me. Wow, it's coming out like noodles. Oh, yeah, but so my school isn't coming back, so I'm just gonna be making videos, possibly taking more classes, trying to take more classes so I'm more productive, you know? We love productivity. And these donuts aren't doing the best, but we'll make them work, you know? I know. This is sad, actually. This is like such a kitchen mishap. Like, oh my gosh. Told you I am not a professional baker. I'm just a girl trying her hardest. Okay. I'm gonna throw that away. Wash my hands. So I put the silicone mold on another pan so it's easier to grab out of the oven. And then you're gonna stick it in the oven for 11 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll teach you guys how to make the milk tea glaze. So next you're gonna need a 4th cup of hot milk. So I'm gonna go microwave this, and then also you're gonna need some tea leaves. I'm gonna use Thai tea leaves, so it's gonna be a Thai milk tea donut, which I think sounds really good. And then you're gonna need a cup of powdered sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot, well not hot, just melted chocolate. So I'm gonna go melting and heating up, and we'll be right back. I don't know what that was. Okay, so my milk is hot. I only did it for 30 seconds because it's only 1/4 cup. And then I'm gonna do about a teaspoon of Thai tea leaves. Okay. Into it, and I will strain it after, but okay. Just gonna stir it up a little bit. See, look at it, turn it orange. Oh wait, you can't see it. Turn it orange. Wow. Twinning. Well, this is yellow, but you know, same difference. Tea. Then I'm gonna heat up my chocolate. Literally, I realized that I forgot to wash the tablespoon part, so it still has the oil. That's why I keep getting oil on my hands, and I'm like, bruh. So I melted my 2 tablespoons of white chocolate, and I'm using white chocolate, so it doesn't really affect the tea flavor. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup, that was loud, 1 cup of powdered sugar into this. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna strain the milk and the tea leaves right here. And I have a strainer right here. I'm just gonna pour it in, and you can have your milk. Just gonna slowly add that into, or fastly add that into the. My timer on my phone for the donuts just turned off, so I'm gonna go check on them right now. I think they still need like a couple more minutes, like 5 or 10 minutes, because it's still pretty light on one side. They haven't really risen, and this is not coming together, so I need to add more powdered sugar. Yes. Okay, when I said slowly add in milk, yeah, do that. But, was it? I realized that glazes are supposed to be runny, so yeah, joke's on me. Okay, but the donuts are almost ready, and then we'll glaze them, and I'll show you the final product. So I glazed one of them. This is how it looks. It didn't like rise as much as I wanted it to, but I mean, I didn't have any yeast in it or anything. Just no yeast donuts, so let's just try it. It's really good, actually. Like, it's like very doughy though, not like a traditional like fluffy like cakey donut, but it's really good. Seriously suggest you guys all try this recipe, and know for a fact that since I was baking on a silicone mat, I think it was different than the recipe I saw, so you're gonna have to bake it longer than 11 minutes. Like, I had to bake it for around like 20 minutes, but yeah. Okay, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day.